Hello everyone, welcome to maths classes. Let's solve some typical word problems on finding the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. Questions 17 and 18 in exercise 5.3 chapter arithmetic progressions. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. So students are planting the trees. It was decided that number of trees that each section of a class will plant will be same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees. So, if the class is 12, they will plant 12 trees. Each section of that class will plant 12 trees. If the class is 11, each section of class 11 will plant 11 trees. This is what they have given. There are 3 sections for each class. So, each class will have 3 sections. How many trees will be planted by the students? We should find the total number of trees planted by the students. There are total 12 classes and each class will have 3 sections. Let's understand this first. There are total 12 classes and each class will have 3 sections. So they are telling that if the class is 1, first class, how many plants they will plant? 1 plant. First class will plant 1 plant. What? Each section. There are 3 sections. So number of plants they will plant will be 1 into 3, that is 3. If class is 2, each section will plant 2 plants. How many sections are there in second class? 3 sections. In every class there will be 3 sections. So number of trees will be, number of trees or plants will be 2 into 3. There are 3 sections. Each section will plant 2 trees. So 2 into 3 is 6. This is the total trees. Total number of trees by each class. Total number of trees by each class. If the class is 3, third class, each section will plant 3 trees. So how many sections are there for every class? There will be 3 sections. So it is 3. So number of trees planted by class 3 students is 3 into 3, 9. Let's take one more example. If the class is 4. So 4th class students, section of 4th class, each section of 4th class will plant 4 trees. How many sections are there? 3 sections are there. So total number of trees planted by 4th class students is 4 into 3, that is 12, and so on. Total how many classes are there? Till 12th class they told already that till class 12 students are there. So class 12. How many plants each section will plant? Each section will plant 12 trees. So how many sections are there for 12th class? 3 sections. So 12 into 3 is equal to 36. 36 is the number of trees planted by 12th class students. Now we got an arithmetic progression. They are asking to find sum of the trees, that is total number of trees planted by all the students of that school. So here the arithmetic progression we got is first class students planted 3 trees, second class students planted 6 trees, third class students planted 9 trees, fourth class students planted 12 trees, and so on. Finally 12th class students planted 36 trees. If A1 is 3, A2 will be 6, A3 is 9, A4, and this is what? AN. Here N is what? There are total 12 classes in the school. That means N will be 12. So A12, that is last term, is A12. L or A12. 12th term is 36. They are asking to find sum of the total trees planted by the students. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. A is the first term of the arithmetic progression. L is the last term of the arithmetic progression. If we substitute in this formula, n is what? 12. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into first term A is 3 plus last term. First term A is 3, last term will be 36. 3 plus 36. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 into 3 plus 36 is 39. So you get 234. 6 into 39 is 234. So total trees planted by the students of the school is 234. Next question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles. They are talking about a spiral and it is made up of successive semicircles. That means all semicircles will be there one after the other with centers alternatively at A, B, starting with the center A of radius 0.5 centimeters, then 1.0 centimeters, 1.52 and so on as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive circles? They are telling how many circles will be there, how many consecutive semicircles will be there. 13 consecutive semicircles will be there. They have given a hint. Length of successive circles is L1, L2, L3, L4 and so on with centers at A, B and so on respectively. So if first circle center is A, second circle center will be B, third circle center will be A again, fourth circle center will be B again. Let's see the problem. Here they are telling that there will be 13 consecutive semicircles. So total semicircles is 13. This will be n. Number of semicircles, like this semicircles, how many are there? This you have figure. L1, L2 and so on. 13 will be there. So n is 13. They have given radius of each semicircle. So R1 is what? 0.5 centimeters. It is semicircle. They are asking what? To find the total length of the semicircle. Length is nothing but circumference. Length is nothing but circumference of the semicircle. As it is semicircle here, we need to find circumference of the semicircle to find the length of the semicircle. Let's consider this as L1. What is the formula L1? Normally for the circle the formula is 2 pi r. We know this. As it is semicircle, you divide by 2. So you will get pi r. It is first semicircle. So let us consider it as R1. So pi into 0.5. So L1 is what? Pi into 0.5. As the formula is pi r. Length of the semicircle is pi r. The first semicircle radius is 0.5 centimeters. So length of the first semicircle will be pi into 0.5. Next, length of the second semicircle is pi into r. R is 1 centimeter. Next, L3 will be, that is length of the third semicircle is pi into 1.5. And totally they are telling 13 semicircles will be there. L13 till L13 you have. We need to find the total length of all the semicircles. Total length of the spiral. That means total length of the semicircles. If you observe, this is a arithmetic progression. Pi into 0.5, pi into 1 every time. 0.5 will the, if you neglect this pi, just observe the values 0.5, 1, 1.5. That means difference is common. What is the common difference here? 0.5. So this is an arithmetic progression. So using arithmetic progressions formula, we can solve the problem. First write the arithmetic progression. So pi into 0.5 is the first term of the arithmetic progression L1. L2 is what? Pi into 1. L3 is pi into 1.5. This is L3 and so on you have till L13. There are 13 semicircles. So pi into this, we don't know the number. Leave it. We don't know L13. Leave it. Though we don't know the last term, we can find the total. We have formula. Now if you observe, take pi as common. What is the arithmetic progression? We will get 0.5, 1, 1.5 and so on. We need to find the sum of all these lengths, L1 plus L2 plus and so on. Till L13 we need to find the sum. First, let's find the sum of 0.51 and so on 1.5, and then we'll multiply with pi. It will be same. So this is an arithmetic progression. First term, second term, third term, and so on. So first term is a1 or a. We get it as 0.5. Then common difference d. Difference between consecutive terms, a2 minus a1, that is 1 minus 0.5, that is equal to 0.5. And number of terms, they told that there are total 13 semicircles, so n will be 13. Now let's use the formula. What is the sum of n terms? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute in this formula. Yes, n is 13. So, 13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2a. A is what? 0.5 plus n minus 1. So, 13 minus 1 into common difference 0.5. First term is 0.5, common difference is 0.5. If we substitute, what we get? 13 by 2 into 0.5 is 1 plus 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 into 0.5. So 13 by 2 into 1 plus 12 into 0.5 is 6. So we get 13 by 2 into 7. 13 sevens are 91. So 91 by 2. Now we got sum of 0.5, 1, 1.5 and so on. We need total length of spiral. Total length of spiral. That means pi into, we took common 0.5, 1, 1.5 and so on. Till 13th term. Pi into 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 and so on, we got 91 by 2. Right, 91 by 2. Pi is what? 22 by 7 into 91.2. 91 by 2. 7 ones are 7, 7, 7 3s are 21. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So you get 11 into 13. That means 110 plus 33, 143 centimeters. If the question is in centimeters, for each radius is in centimeters, then you get total length also in centimeters. 143 centimeters is the answer. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.